You know, it's not uncommon in the financial industry to speak to clients that have been contributing 5, 6, 7,000 rand a month for the past 7 or 10 years to a retirement annuity, and they've got less money in their retirement annuity than what they actually contributed over the term. And this doesn't mean a retirement annuity is a shitty product. It means the allocation is not done correctly. Okay, you got to look at where you allocate the capital, in what asset classes do you put the capital, because you want to be invested in asset classes that outperform inflation over time. For example, our Van Anker portfolio is a moderate risk portfolio. Okay, so it's not shooting the lights out, but it is definitely kicking inflation's ass. If you contributed 7,000 bucks per month since May 2018 all the way up until today, you would have had a total contribution of 609,000 rand. The total value of your portfolio would be 949,000 rand. Okay, that's about 55% growth over the period. Now, like I said, it's not shooting the lights out. However, it is kicking inflation's ass, and that is what you want. I personally think you can do better than this, but as I said, this is with a moderate portfolio.